Good afternoon, students. My name is N. Ramesh, qualification MSc BEd in Mathematics. We will discuss first year Maths A topic trigonometric ratios up to transformation. In the previous class, we will discuss about the trigonometric ratios of compound angles. What is the meaning of compound angle? Compound angle means the sum of the sum of two terms or more angles is called compound angle. The algebraic sum of two or more angles is called compound angle. We will discuss compound angle formulas. Sin of A plus B, sin of A minus B, cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B, tan of A plus B, tan of A minus B, cot of A plus B and cot of A minus B. Okay. Today we will discuss about compound angle form problems. So, let us the first problem. First one. If A plus B is equal to pi by 4, then prove that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. If A plus B is equal to pi by 4, then prove that 1 plus tan A of 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. Okay. Solution. Here what is the given condition? Given that A plus B is equal to pi by 4. Now applying on both sides tan of A plus B is equal to tan pi by 4. On the left side term is in the form of compound angle tan of A plus B. What is the formula of tan of A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B is equal to, what is the value of tan pi by 4? We know that tan 45, pi by 4 means 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees value is 1. Okay, on the left side denominator can move from right. We get tan A plus tan B is equal to 1 minus tan A into tan B. On the right side, tan ratios can move from left. We get tan A plus tan B plus tan A into tan B is equal to 1. Consider this is equation number 1. Finally, we can prove that 1 plus tan A of 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. Now we can take LHS. 1 plus tan A of 1 plus tan B. Now find the product. 1 into 1, 1 plus tan A into 1, tan A. 1 into tan B plus tan A into tan B, tan A, tan B. That equal 1 plus, from the first equation, tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B is equal can be written as 1. 1 plus 1, 2. That is RHS. Okay, we can take LHS, we can prove RHS. By using of the condition A plus B is equal pi by 4. Okay, understand? Note that one. Okay, completed. Get ahead on the next one. Next problem. If sin alpha is equal to 1 by root 10, sin beta is equal to 1 by root 5, and alpha comma beta are acute show that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. Okay, what is the given values? If sin alpha equal 1 by root 10, sin beta is equal 1 by root 5, and alpha comma beta are acute angles, then show that alpha plus beta is equal pi by 4. Okay, what is the meaning of acute angle? Acute angle means below 90, obtuse above 90, right angle equal 90. Here alpha beta are acute means these two angles are below 90 degrees. Below 90 is in which coordinate? First coordinate. Means sin alpha and sin beta both are in which coordinate? First coordinate. Okay, listen here. Given alpha comma beta are acute, that implies alpha comma beta belongs to is in which coordinate? First coordinate. So sin alpha is equal to 1 by root 10. From this ratio we can draw a right angle triangle in first coordinate. Alpha, sin means opposite by hypotenuse. Then what is the value of adjacent side? Hypotenuse square minus side square. Root 10 square. 10 minus 1. 9. 9 means root 9 means 3. From the figure we can write the values of, we can write the ratios cos and tan. Cos alpha adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan alpha opposite by adjacent 1 by 3. And what is the another given value? Sine beta 1 by root 5. From this ratio we can draw a right angle triangle. Beta sine opposite by hypotenuse. Then what is the value of adjacent side? Hypotenuse square root 5 square, 5 minus 1 4, root 4 means 2. So adjacent value is 2. From the figure we can write the ratios cos and tan for the angle beta. Cos beta is equal at the adjacent side by hypotenuse 2 by root 5, tan beta opposite side by adjacent side 1 by 2. Okay, we can prove that, we can show that alpha plus beta mean compound angle of alpha and beta is equal pi by 4. Okay, we can find tan of alpha plus beta. What is the formula of tan of alpha plus beta? Tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. We know the values of tan alpha and tan beta. What is the value of tan alpha? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. That equal, on the numerator LCM is 6. Numerators are 2 plus 3, cross multiply. Denominator LCM is 6. 2 3 6 into 6 into 1, 6 minus 1. So 6 get cancelled. 2 plus 3, 5 by 5. That equal to 1. So tan alpha plus beta is equal to 1. 1 can be written as tan pi by 4. So on both sides tan get cancelled. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. Finally we can prove alpha plus beta is equal pi by 4. Okay, note that one. Okay, completed. Okay, try the next one. Prove that cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees is equal cot 36 degrees. Prove that cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees equal cot 36. Okay. So first of all we can take LHS. LHS is cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees is equal. In this problem there are two ratios are there, sin and cos. In these two ratios we get cos is common term, cos 9 degrees is common term. On the numerator remaining terms are 1 plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees by, in the denominator also cos 9 degrees is common term, remaining 1 minus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees. So here cos 9 degrees get cancelled. That equal 1 plus sin 9 by cos. Sin by cos can be written as tan 9 degrees by 1 minus tan 9 degrees. So here 1 can be written as, in the ratios of tan, that can be written as tan 45 degrees value is 1. Tan 45 plus tan 9 by 1 minus this tan 9 multiplying with 1, that is also equal to tan 9 degrees. So that multiplying 1 can be written as tan 45 into tan 9 degrees. So this total term is in the form of tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, can be written as tan of A plus B 45 plus 9, that equal tan 45 plus 9 can be written as 54 degrees. But we can prove cot 36. 54 can be written as 90 minus 36 degrees. Tan of 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta is in which coordinate? First coordinate. 90 is an odd multiple. Odd multiple means ratios will be changed. Tan will be changed. Cot 36 degrees. That is RHS. Okay, students. Play the intro model. We can get common term tan sin 9 of cos 9 by sin 9 plus 1. Sin 9 of cos 9 by sin 9 minus 1. Cos 9 cos by sin cot. Cot 9 into cot 1. Cot 45. Cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A minus cot B. That is cot of A minus B. Cot of 45 minus 9. That is called cot 36 degrees. Okay, understand? Note that one. Question is completed. Okay. Write down the homework problem for today class. Homework problem is, if a plus b is equal pi by 4, then prove that cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1 is equal to second one. Prove that cos 11 degrees plus sin 11 degrees by 1 minus cos 11 minus sin 11 degrees is equal to tan 56 degrees. Prove that cos 11 plus sin 11 by cos 11 minus sin 11 is equal tan 56 degrees. Okay. Thank you, students. Everyone do these problems, and every day ఇచ్చినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కావచ్చు, క్లాస్ కావచ్చు, కంపల్సరీ క్లాసెస్ వింటూ నోట్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయండి. నోట్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేసిన దాన్ని మీరు ఏదైతే నోట్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నారో దాన్ని గ్రూప్లో పోస్ట్ చేయండి. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.